Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are bringing you something absolutely next level, a futuristic 2026 luxury motorhome concept that looks like it has rolled straight out of the future. This is not just a vehicle, this is a moving luxury mansion on wheels, designed for people who want 5-star comfort while traveling anywhere in the world. From the moment you look at it, this motorhome makes a powerful statement of luxury, technology, and bold design. Let's start with the exterior, because honestly, this design grabs your attention instantly. The front looks ultra-modern with a smooth, aerodynamic nose and a massive panoramic glass section that gives it a spaceship-like appearance. The LED lighting signature runs cleanly across the body, giving it a premium and futuristic feel, especially at night. The body lines are fluid and elegant, not boxy like traditional motorhomes, which helps both style and aerodynamics. You can see multiple axles and large wheels, clearly built to handle the heavy luxury setup while still offering stability and comfort on long journeys. The side profile is long, clean, and perfectly balanced, with dark tinted windows that provide privacy and keep the interior cool. Chrome accents, soft ambient exterior lighting, and seamless panel gaps make it feel more like a luxury yacht than a road vehicle. From the rear, the design stays just as dramatic, with sculpted curves, sleek tail lights, and a commanding road presence that turns heads everywhere it goes. Now step inside, and this is where the real magic happens. The interior feels like a high-end hotel suite combined with a private jet. As you enter, you are welcomed by a spacious lounge area with premium leather seating, soft touch materials, and elegant wood and metal finishes. The lighting inside is fully ambient and customizable, allowing you to change the mood depending on your journey, whether it's relaxing, working, or entertaining guests. The windows are large, giving you panoramic views while still maintaining privacy through smart tint technology. The floor is finished with luxury materials that feel solid and premium under your feet, and every corner reflects attention to detail. Moving further inside, the kitchen area is fully equipped and designed for luxury living on the road. You get a modern cooking setup with induction cooktops, hidden storage, a large refrigerator, and high-quality countertops. Everything is integrated seamlessly so it doesn't feel cluttered. This is a kitchen where you can comfortably cook full meals while traveling across countries. Right next to it, there is a dining space that feels cozy yet premium, perfect for family dinners or business meetings on the move. The bedroom area takes luxury to another level. A large, comfortable bed sits perfectly centered, surrounded by soft lighting and premium materials. Storage is cleverly hidden within the walls and under the bed, giving you plenty of space for long journeys without compromising design. The sound insulation is excellent, making the sleeping area quiet and peaceful even when parked in busy locations. The bathroom feels like a luxury spa with a modern shower, stylish sink, premium fittings, and high-end finishes that you usually only see in luxury apartments. Now let's talk about the dashboard and driving experience. The cockpit is fully digital, with wide screens stretching across the dashboard, displaying navigation, vehicle stats, cameras, and entertainment. The steering wheel is modern and multifunctional, giving the driver full control with minimal effort. Advanced driver assistance systems are expected, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and automatic parking support, making such a large vehicle surprisingly easy to drive. The seating position is high and commanding, offering excellent visibility of the road. In terms of performance, this 2026 luxury motorhome is expected to come with a powerful engine setup, possibly hybrid or fully electric, depending on the final production version. The focus here is smooth, quiet, and effortless driving rather than raw speed. Multiple axles and advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth ride even on long highways or uneven roads. Air suspension likely adjusts automatically to road conditions, providing maximum comfort for passengers. Despite its massive size, the vehicle is designed to feel stable, confident, and refined at all speeds. When it comes to pricing, this kind of luxury does not come cheap. For a 2026 futuristic luxury motorhome like this, we can expect the price to start very high, easily crossing into the premium luxury segment. Depending on customization, interior materials, technology options, and powertrain, the price could reach levels comparable to luxury yachts or high-end mansions. This is clearly aimed at elite buyers, luxury travelers, celebrities, and business owners who want the ultimate travel experience without compromising comfort. Overall, this 2026 luxury motorhome is not just about transportation, it's about lifestyle. It combines futuristic design, ultra-luxury interior, advanced technology, and powerful performance into one incredible package. If you dream of traveling the world in absolute comfort and style, this is the kind of vehicle that makes that dream feel real. Let me know in the comments what you think about this futuristic luxury motorhome. Would you drive it, and where would you take it first? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MH Car Review for more amazing luxury car and motorhome content coming your way.